Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna K. Powell, and today again we are going to show you another way how to make money online. So this website is Appen, and we are going to show you how to sign up, the process and all of that. So if you want to know more ways how to make money online, you guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down below. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So give this video a thumbs up guys. So here we are going to go to Google, we are going to type in Appen, and then we are going to say. So guys, this is Appen website. So when you reach on this page, and I'm going to leave a link of it in the description down below. So guys, as you can see, this website have company like Amazon, Google, Pinterest and all of that. So this is like some small task guys. So when you come here, you can read down below. So developing high quality AI require focus on its steps of AI lifestyle. Over more than 80% of effort is spent on managing data. Appen unleash the potential of your AI by solving data sourcing and data animation and real-world model testing need. So guys, these are some small tasks they give you to do, like research and all of that. So you can just take the time out guys and go through. But let's show you the procedure to sign up. So when you come here guys, you're gonna press on job. And you have 3 categories. It's a part-time flexible job where you can work from home or anywhere in the world. So this is work from home job guys, at the comfort of your home. So you have micro tasks. These are jobs you can do right now, immediately. These are survey data, and this is more long-term job. These are project. So guys, if you need a long-term job, I advise you to choose project. So guys, you're going to click apply. So one important thing you need to know when signing up guys, the information that you use here should be 100% legit. Use your right name, the name that is on your passport, driver's license, or any one of those things you use for identification. Make sure you use your correct name, your country, whatever it is they ask you to sign up for. So here you're going to put your email. You're going to create a password. You're going to put your first name, your last name. You're going to put the country of resident. And as you can see guys, almost all countries here, so it's all around the world. See guys, all around. So you select your country, and they want to ensure that you are 18 years old and over. So you click. And then create an account. Then you're going to get an email to your email address giving you the instruction to verify your account. So for me, I already have an account. So I just sign into my account, guys. So I'm just going to show you. This would be your dashboard when you create your account. You may not have all this information up here, but just to show you all the tasks and all of that is set up. So here you see the pricing of the task, you see average, you see data. Here they will show you like the instruction on how to go about doing your task, so you can just read through, guys. So this is a short-term earning potential. Capture 12 short selfie video on your portable device with different accessories, lighting and environment. You will be paid for our participation in the project, and they ask the requirement able to access the web-based tool via a Android phone device, no desktop or laptop allowed. You must be 18 years and over, a Google account, and the pay rate disabled is the maximum amount to be paid for your participation in the task, guys. So all you have to do is just read through the information, and as you can see, this is my project, and then you can see our project, right? And then you will see apply here, and then you just press and apply. So let's go on our project and see if there's other. Okay, so for me there's more project here that I didn't know about. So alright, this is one, guys. So this goal of the project is to tap into the collective intelligence of the public at large. Result of the task will be used in the wide variety application data. So here you will just press and apply. So let's see the instruction. It said require computer OS should be Microsoft Vista, Microsoft Windows 7 and above. 3 to 5 years of resident in your country, and a Windows Live ID wild. So you can see they pay you like 1 cent per task. 1 cent they pay per task, on the average. Then you just press and apply. So it's showing a project crescent, and then you would just have to, so they show you a tool with Microsoft in the eye, the necessary, very passionate and have a strong interest working with the internet, must be internet savvy and all of that. Okay, so you can just go ahead and finish follow the procedure when you sign up for your account. And this is very easy, guys, to, and you will see as you complete other tasks and go along, you will get more tasks, and so you complete, you will get more tasks, and as you go along, your account will, they ask you for the necessary identification process to go through, and you will have all of these. But for you, you won't have all of these right here. You will have your profile, and you will have project, and you will have project tickets so far. And as you go through each procedure, and they ask you for the necessary requirement and identification to upgrade your account, you will have all of these, guys. So with no further ado, sorry, this is it, guys. So it's easy, and as I said, you can do it from all around the world, and you can stay at your home and also do this, guys. So this is no issue instead of staying on social media and scrolling through social media, guys, it's better for you to just do something that you will get paid and have some extra income and all of that, guys. So stay tuned for my next video. So I'm asking you to subscribe to help my channel grow, so I can show you more work from home video, guys. So I will, as I find out about other work from home video, please hit the notification bell so you can see when I post. So guys, stay tuned for my next video, and thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.